How to promote your NFTs for free. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can promote your NFTs for free. So let's get started. Now, when you are working in NFT, you are selling and buying NFTs, we are always looking to promote, we are always looking for different platforms and different strategies to promote our NFTs. And unfortunately, we sometimes do not have that much of a budget to kind of go ahead and promote our NFTs on these platforms that are created and that actually charge money, and we do not have budget to actually run ads. So what you can do is you can go to different platforms that I will be showing you, and you can promote your NFTs for free. Now, to promote your NFT, it's important because when you will be creating your NFTs, you are going to sell them, and in order to sell them, you need to attract the audience. And there are millions of users on different platforms and creators, and sometimes it's very hard to land on first pages and to get the promotion. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it ourselves for free. So to promote your NFTs, the first platform that you can go to is Discord. Now, Discord is a very advanced and modern and very innovative in a way. And when it comes to selling NFTs and buying NFTs, Discord has the community. There are people who are looking for different NFTs all the time. There are many users and different people that actually have created these communities, these channels, and these servers that are actually to buy and sell NFTs. And people actually, promote their NFTs on these channels. For example, I am right now on Rarible Discord server, and you will see right here on Discord, what happens is that you will actually find the audience that is looking for NFTs. And when we join different servers, for example, Rarible or OpenSea, you will actually come across these people that are actually into NFTs and they want to buy them, they want to sell them, and it's completely free. You have your Discord account, right? So join these servers, and then after that, you will be able to make connections. For example, look at this one. This is one of the communities I am part of. This is a channel, and this is for NFTs. And what happens here is that you can actually add your NFTs, you can promote them right here. You can see that people actually add their profiles and they ask people to actually join, and once you do that, you will be able to connect with the people that are actually looking for NFTs. So Discord is a very easy, and Discord is one of the easiest and most efficient way of promoting your NFTs. You will see right here that people are actually adding their NFTs. They have added the links and everything, so you can simply add them right here. You will be able to attract the audience to your NFTs wherever they are. So if I go to any of the platform that you're using, for example, if I come to OpenSea and if I come to my collection, you will actually see the option of copy link right here. So this option is available on any of the platform that you are creating your NFTs on, and you simply copy the link, and then you can actually share that link also on your Discord right here. So on Discord, you will actually see people have added these links to their NFTs and to their giveaways, and these links are actually from Twitter. So this brings us to the second platform that you can actually promote your NFTs on, and that is Twitter. Now, Twitter is also famous for promoting NFTs and for the audience that is actually looking to buy NFTs. So Twitter is one of the platforms that is actually famous for NFT giveaways, and people actually add their links to Twitter as compared to Facebook or Instagram, because on Facebook and Instagram, these are actually social media accounts, and people are actually there for general reasons. Twitter is actually very famous for NFTs and cryptos, and people are actually looking for different NFTs, and there are giveaways happening all the time. So you can do that as well. You can actually arrange a giveaway as a beginner if you have created an NFT. So you can create a giveaway. You can have a giveaway on Twitter and you can promote the link here. Add the link simply here and people will be able to, check it out. And once you attract the audience from Twitter, because Twitter has the audience, people are always using Twitter. So you will actually have the audience, and once you attract the audience to your NFT, you will be able to sell it. The next platform that I have for you is called NFT Calendar.io. Now, it is one of the platforms that you might have heard about when it comes to selling and buying NFTs, because NFT Calendar.io allows you to schedule your NFT launch, and you can actually have your giveaways, your collaborations, and your promotions right here on NFT Calendar.io. The other platforms that I showed you, they are like your social media and basic platforms, but NFT Calendar.io is actually created in order to give you a platform where you can actually, schedule your launches and your promotions and for giveaways and whatever you want to add. So what happens on nftcalendar.io is that you list your event, you add an event. For example, it might be your launch for your NFT. So there is an audience here, right? So you will see that these are all promoted right here, and you can actually check out when these will come out. And once people are actually here in order to look for new NFTs. So once you have promoted your NFT here on nftcalendar.io, you will be able to, have pre-orders for your NFT and you will be able to sell them. And this platform is amazing because there are many different creators here that have promoted their different NFTs. You can see this is how it looks. This one is promoted. You can actually check out the platform as well. For example, this one is on OpenSea, and if I want to read more, I will simply click right here and I will be able to read more about this NFT when it's coming out. You can check out the website, Twitter, and Discord. This will be the blockchain. This is the marketplace. So this is how it works, and this is how you can actually promote your NFT as well. Super easy to use, and you don't have to pay as well. So yeah, if you are looking for a platform to promote NFTs for free, then you should definitely check out nftcalendar.io. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and if this tutorial really helped you, then make sure to recommend it to others as well. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time the channel uploads a new video. I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care.